What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how we replace an asphalt driveway. What do you think? Good? Driveway is all out. You can see we got a pretty full load here. Thankfully I had the excavator here and I was able to munch it up, get it into smaller pieces. When you drop them in big pieces, there's a lot of voids in there, but that's packed pretty tight right now. You can see we got a good base already. Corey says that's slag, I guess. It's something they used to use. Kind of looks like crushed concrete to me. But the ground thankfully is super hard. He's hitting it with the plate compactor, and then on Monday, when we're going to actually put the asphalt down, the blacktop, we're going to hit it with the roller as well. Then we got to add modified here because the driveway is going to extend all the way over to the wall. Getting the driveway prepped for the blacktop. They're using the whacker along the wall where the roller can't get, and they're also going to use it up there along the edge where that cobblestone is. So we got our blacktop. This is our base. We're going to get about 2 inches of base down, and then we're going to go to the top coat after that. We're going to try to run it all right out of the chute. We'll see how it goes. So we just finished up the base coat. We got a good solid 2 inches down, and Corey's running to go get the top coat. We'll get that down on top, and then the driveway will be done. It's gonna look real good once it's all said and done, especially with that wall over there. Who built that? There it is, guys. Finished product of the driveway. Only thing left is Corey's going to come back and he's going to tar this seam. He said he's going to give it a few days before he does that. We told the homeowner to give this a solid week before he parks on it because of the incline, and it's been super hot here with the heat index. It's been like high 90s every day, so it's going to take a while to cure. We'll probably maybe scrape off a little bit of the little pebble asphalt you see along the edge at the bottom. I don't know how necessary that is, but maybe we will. But yeah, all in all, came out good. Customer's happy. Everything looks real good, nice and smooth. And that's a wrap for the driveway. Thanks for watching.